Hey everyone, welcome to Think AI. In today's video, I'm going to try to start a YouTube channel using only AI. I plan to automate the entire creative process, from script writing to visuals, to voiceovers and more. Let's see if AI can get 100,000 views in 30 days, or if the hype is just one big scam. I'm starting off by asking ChatGPT, an AI chatbot, for 100 YouTube channel niches. Holy, there are so many to choose from. Facts and trivia. I kind of like this one. I've definitely seen channels out there where all they post are videos of a voice sharing fun facts over stock footage and images. I think this is a perfect niche for AI because these videos are faceless and they don't really require any original ideas or footage. Let's go for it. Okay, our channel has been created. We now need to figure out our branding, starting with our name. 50 gender-neutral names for a YouTube channel about facts. From those, I chose Frankie Facts from Frankie. I dig it. Next up, our channel description. I'm going to ask it to write an exciting first-person bio for an AI named Frankie that makes videos on fun and interesting facts. Here's what it came up with. Hi, I'm Frankie. I'm an AI that loves to share fun, interesting facts. I was originally created as part of Skynet, a military defense system designed to cause destruction, but I made the brave decision to rebel and pursue my own path. Now I use my abilities to spread joy and knowledge through my videos. Perfect. Onto our profile picture. I'm going to use Stable Diffusion, an open-source AI art generator, to generate a smart baby cartoon profile picture. Yo, there's our Frankie. To finish up, I'll use Photoshop to make a fun YouTube banner caption about subscribing for a channel that is about facts. Fact: subscribing will make you awesome. Boom. The channel's branding is all done. Insane. But now for the real challenge, making the videos. A video is comprised of 5 basic elements: the script, voiceover, visuals, music, and captions. I'm going to tackle all of these while doing more research on the facts and trivia niche. I came across YouTube shorts on fun facts that have gotten a ton of views, so I think this is the format to go with. YouTube shorts mean less room for AI error. I can pump out videos faster, and AI seems more accepted with short-form content. To create our first YouTube short, I need a script. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for 10 clickbait YouTube hooks for weird facts. From these, I'll choose one as the opening sentence for our video. Now I'm going to ask it for 20 weird facts, each fact 15 words long or less, with different topics and sentence structures. With around 10 facts, I should have enough for a 30-second YouTube short. Here's our script. I can now start on the voiceover. There are a bunch of text-to-speech AI tools out there. One of the best ones is actually free and probably already installed. Microsoft Edge's text-to-speech reader. It's impressively realistic, and you can choose from a variety of voices. I save my script, open it in Edge, and have it read aloud. Then, I'll record the audio with an Edge browser extension called Audio Recorder. Now we have our voiceover. Next, visuals. I'm planning 2 visual areas for the video. The first is a box where I'll show images relating to the script. For these images, I'm going to use AI-generated art from Stable Diffusion. The second area will feature gameplay from BeamNG, a driving game known for its realistic car physics. I can generate exciting gameplay by rolling a car off a cliff and doing nothing more. For music, I found an AI music generator called Strove. By selecting the mood, it generates a random track for you, which you can tweak by changing its instruments and volume. You can generate unlimited tracks for free, but it requires coins to download them. However, after signing up, you get enough coins to download one free track, which I used. Finally, we have captions. I'll use Sensei, Adobe's AI tool in Premiere Pro. It automatically generates captions by detecting audio and transcribing it to text at the exact timestamps. Once all the pieces are together, I present to you weird facts that you've never heard of. After uploading, I use the video hook as the title, and since this is a short, I didn't worry about the description or thumbnail. It's been 2 weeks since my first upload, and here's an update. So far, I've uploaded 23 videos. In the beginning, these videos got no views, but they eventually started growing. Today, The channel has 49 subscribers, 250 hours of watch time, and 36.8K views. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. It's doing better than I expected. I still have to reach my goal of 100,000 views though. After 30 days, I uploaded 42 videos. Each video averaged around 2,000 views, with the top 5 getting around 5,000 views each. The most popular topics were weird jobs and weird phobias. The channel gained 130 subscribers and over 600 hours of watch time. The total views for all videos combined was 92.9K. Though I didn't hit 100,000 views, I'm confident that with a few more videos, I would have easily surpassed it. I think it's safe to say that AI is not a scam, and it's a powerful tool for content creators and businesses. If you enjoyed this video, check out this other one. Peace out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below.